I tell you what. Ooh, another one out of the collection right here. Thank you, sir. All the way from Ireland, baby. The Grass Man. Hey, everybody. Welcome to my channel. Yeah. What's going on, everybody? I'm gonna make quick work of the front yard with just a mow, but I'm focusing mainly on the back. I'm gonna mow the back and I'm gonna put down some apps and I'll let you know what else is going on here in a minute. Stay tuned. Hey, and don't forget to like, comment, and the most importantly, subscribe, guys. You don't want to miss these videos. Whether you like them or you don't, do it. All right, boys and girls, she's coming together. She's looking okay. Not bad. Not bad. She could be better. She really could be. But, you know what my pet peeve is? Is neighbors that just don't care. Look what they did. They scalped my lawn. Oh, boy. That's looking pretty good, y'all. Looking pretty good. Not bad, not bad. All right, so front is all done, complete. Very easy, very fast. Now it's on to the back, and I'm gonna mow real quick, and then I'll show you what I'm throwing down. All right, hang tight. Yard, not looking too bad. It's actually starting to green up, and places that were brown and yellow and a lot of the dark weed spots that were dying are starting to fade and go away with every mow. And that is the key to a happy, healthy lawn, other than water and nutrients and food, is mowing and mowing frequently, consistently. So, yes, like I said in previous videos, I was a little worried about the backyard after the image application, but it's coming back, and I'm happy. I shouldn't have been worried in the first place, guys. It is Bermuda. So I'll give you a little look-see of what it looks like right now. And there she is, guys. She's getting there. I know I keep on saying that, but she is. I think I want to even say she's even trying to stripe. But let me show you what I got to throw down, or excuse me, what I have to throw down on the lawn. So, without further ado, here we go. Alright guys, so what I'm going to do today, like I said, I'm going to throw down some Humic-12, Air-8, and RGS. And I'm throwing down Microgreen in the backyard. I think I'm going to go the low routes on the backyard this time. So let's take a look at the Air-8. 6 ounces per 1,000 square feet. I have 3,000 square feet back here, so that's 18 ounces of Air-8. Next is going to be Humic-12. Right here, good stuff. It's gonna be 39 ounces per 1,000 square feet. So I'm gonna, like I said, I'm gonna go low route on this. So 369 ounces in the back for the 3,000 square feet. So 9 for the humic. Next, we got some RGS, some root growth stimulant right here. I'm hoping it can do wonders to this backyard and just go to town on it. So I'm sure with all these products, it's done wonders in the front yard already. So this one is 3 ounces per 1,000. So again, that's the low route. The high route's the 6 ounces per 1,000. So 3 ounces per 1,000. Again, that's 9 ounces. So the Humic-12, RGS are both 9 ounces. And lastly, which will be a mix of its own, I won't be mixing any of the Air-8, Humic, or RGS with the Microgreen because it clumps together. And that's right here, the Microgreen 002. And I will be doing that. I'm gonna do 30 ounces of Microgreen here in the back. And I am excited. So the Microgreen, I might throw this down first. We'll see. We shall see. I'm ready to get started. I know you guys are ready to see it. So let's do this. All right, guys, about to throw down the Microgreen. Decided to go with that first. That is the most at 30 ounces of Microgreen 002 going in the backyard. About to throw it down. Again, if you want to wear your PPE, you probably should. This will stain your hands, but it will come off. And be careful on the concrete. I do it in my little mulch bed over there because if it makes the mulch more brown or black than it is, then that's good, but here we go. All right, guys, that's down. Microgreen is down. I'm still kind of calibrating the Ortho dial and spray walk in my backyard to 3,000 square feet. Unlike my front yard, I got that walking down. I know where it's supposed to be, where I need to be. But this isn't too bad. I was right there. I was getting down close to the end, and I started to run out a little bit, but that's when you saw me, fan it out. So just trying to push it. So next time I know I need a little bit faster, tiny bit. There's another view of the backyard. I love these different views, but I gotta hurry. My battery's about to run out. If it runs out, that's okay. Because what I'm doing now is, so Air-8 is 18 ounces. Humic-12 and RGS are both gonna be 9 ounces going in the backyard. I'm gonna mix all those together and spray it out. Oh yeah, well, I'm loving this. Look at this, This is right here is what it's all supposed to look like. But it will. This section I'm standing in right now probably gets more water than any of the rest because when it rains, everything kind of drains back in here off the concrete and over onto this. So there's a reason. And it greens up more over here because I think I put my my drainage pipe under here. So that carries the water. I'm sure that seeps out of the pipe a little bit and makes her green. But yeah, I'm ready to finish this up and go make some dinner. I'm hungry, I'm starving, and I'm sure my wife wants me back in to give me some kisses. All right, hang tight. If I lose you, I'm sorry, but okay. Don't go nowhere. There she is, boys and girls and everyone else in between. There's the backyard. All finished. Looking good. Excited to see. Oh, what's that? Am I cleaning my lawnmower? That's right. This is the second time I'm using this, the attachment to the thing, because I usually like getting in there myself and cleaning it. I don't know how loud I'm talking, but let's have a listen.